Have you ever heard this quote that life is not a problem to be solved? Actually, it is a game to be played. Well, many people say that life is a game, but every game has some rules, right? And if you don't play with the rules, that it can lead to a lot of problems. So today, let's say we will tell you 7 rules of life that you need to follow, that you need to live by. And if you do so, it will help you a lot in different aspects of life, in your career, in your relationship, in maintaining mental peace and whatnot. So today we will share with you 7 logic, 7 rules that you should know in your life. Now let's start. Rule number 1. Sometimes you may have faced some bad trauma or had some bad experience in the past, and you cling on to it for the rest of your life. So by doing this you are spoiling your whole life for just one experience. Now, what does it do? For example, you have some failure in the past and now you are clinging to it. So, even in your present life, even in your present, you are facing guilt. You are always thinking about that. So, you can't even have a great future because you're always clinging to the past. So the first thing that you have to do is make peace with your past so it does not spoil your present. It is a very important thing, and it starts by forgiving yourself and accepts that it's okay that you make a mistake, and everyone makes a mistake, but you never do the same mistake again and again. By just forgiving yourself for the simple task, you can actually change your life. Number 2, what other people think of you is none of your business. Now, what happened is we live our lives in a way that what others think about us. But according to the study, most of the people always think about them. So there is an experiment that has been conducted in which the person has wear some weird t-shirt and walk through the crowd, and he feels so embarrassed that what others think about him. But when the results come out, no one even noticed that t-shirt, and even if some notice them, they ignore it because they have so much work to do on their own. Similarly, in your daily life, not many people care about what you look like, what you do. So similarly, you have to do the same. You don't have to care about what others are thinking about you. This is the second rule of life, and you can read some books on that if you want, like The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. It is also a very amazing book based on this topic. Ego is the enemy, you can also read. Now moving on to the number 3, time heals almost everything. Give time, be patient. Sometimes what happened is something has been done in the past and now you can't change it, and slowly it will heal with the time, because right now the wound is flesh, and due to the flesh wound it is paining you. The experience is still there. So what you can do is just give yourself some time. It's okay, it will take some time, but in the end you will be completely alright, because life will not stop, you will not stop until the time of your death. Similarly, what you have to do is just keep going on, focus on the things that are ahead of you. This rule is important if you are a student, especially. You may have faced a lot of ups and downs in your careers. Number 4, no one is the reason of your happiness except you yourself. This is comes for the blame game. We always blame others. Okay, if that person will give me this job, I will be happy. If my salary is increased by my boss, I will be this happy. But this rule claims that all of your happiness in the end depend upon yourself. If you are happy from within, you don't need to depend on some external factors. For this, what you can do, you can practice some gratitude regime, you can practice some affirmations, and by doing so, your subconscious mind slowly changes its way towards seeing the good parts of everything that happened in your life. And this is a very important, I say it's kind of a skill as well. Now moving on to point number 5, don't compare your life with others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. So what happened is, whenever we get jealous of someone, but it is just one aspect of their life. For example, if your friend play very good football and you may have been jealous of him because he is playing really good, but you are very good at him than chess. So if you want to become like him, you have to also accept his weakness and his strength. But what we do, we all only want to accept their strengths and not their weakness. That's the flaw, because if you want to become like someone, if you actually envy someone, then accept both their weaknesses and their strengths as well, because they are also a part of them. That's why this concept of jealousy is not in work, because they are only expecting to be that person in one aspect of life. Number 6. Stop thinking too much. It's alright to not know all the answers. All humans have this fear called the fear of unknown, where we don't want to think that we don't know the answers. We always want to the be the one who know everything, but that's not the case, because as you are moving forward in life, slowly life will show you its cards. Slowly you will learn everything. You will not know everything just in the beginning of the adventure, right? So that's why it is okay if you don't know. You can ask someone for advice and be okay with that fact. It I don't know, but I will find out slowly. It will give you much more peace, and you have be patient with this. Number 7 and the last rule: you are not the only one who have problems in their life. So just smile and find a way to deal with these problems. We always curse others. I have these problems, and people are competing over you. I have more problems than you. No, I have more problems. But in the end, everyone have different type of problems in their life. Someone from a very rich background also have some problems. Someone from a very poor background, someone from a middle class background also have their own problems. So what you have to do is deal with your problems instead of showing others how big your problem was. And whenever you're dealing with them, just smile. It will make your problems cry away. So that's the 7 rules of life.